Hey guys, Sean here. It's Saturday, second video of the day. I want to make a point here because everybody is jumping on the bandwagon about how everything is changing, and we're certainly not going to be where we are in another 5 years. Everything's going to be online. You're never going to buy anything in person. Doesn't matter. There's going to be virtual this and virtual that, and that's going to have a huge impact on real estate. And you know what? A little bit of that is true, but I want to show you something here. Okay, let's take a step back into reality. You know what this is? This is a completely packed mall. Are you getting me? This is Saturday. This is a completely packed mall. Look at this. Tell me again how we have to throw out all the old rules and all the old marketing techniques and all the old delivery standards and everything. Tell me again. Because right now I can tell you that real estate hasn't changed as much as you think it has. Okay? The bottom line with real estate, guys, is somebody wants value. That's it. If they're a renter, they want to get the biggest house they can get with X amount of whatever their budget is for that month. If they're a buyer, they don't even look at rates. Honestly, they look at them to get a bellwether whether or not they're coming down or not, but they don't look at rates. They don't look at the price. You know what they look at? Their monthly. That's it. Investors look at what they can get out of their monthly. Out of renters. This is a different, nothing has changed in real estate. The bottom line is you're looking at equity and you're looking at profitability. Okay, return on investment. That's it. I'm over at Bass Pro. Tell me the old rules don't apply. Tell me people don't want to touch it and feel it. Tell me people aren't looking for an excuse to buy something because that's what they're doing. 99% of these cars are not from people that need something in their lives. These are people that want something in their lives. You need to remember that when you're talking to people, when you're trying to put deals together. Well, you're halfway out, honey. Come on. Just blocked me. There we go. I couldn't make that one up. You need to tell me. Go ahead. Tell me that all these people need something from Bass Pro Shops. Tell me that they don't care if they feel something. They feel it in their hands. They don't care. Tell me they're not looking for an excuse to buy something. And let me tell you something. The millennials right now, that's going to be our #1 market coming up because they like real estate. Okay? The ones that are actually out hustling and making money. Those guys like real estate a lot. A lot. Okay? And what are they going to do? They're going to buy it and they're going to look at ROI. And that is your buyer. The only thing that's changing right now in real estate is the speed of information continues to improve. The accuracy, the quality of information continues to improve online. And our buyers, the only difference now is they're a different demographic. Same motivation. And guys, our dumpster diving or buying at the lower end is always going to pay off.